Hi guys, how are you today? Let's cook chicken biryani. These are the ingredients. My name is Ruby Gubsi. Okay, let's start. In a pan, put oil. Put the whole spices. Please subscribe my channel, Ruby Gubsi. Now put onion. Your iPad. Put the garlic. Now put the chicken. And then subscribe and join my channel. My plan is make some kids happy at the end of the year. After you're done, put the spices. Then mix them together. Mix well. Now put the tomato and cook till soft. Put the tomato paste. Stir them. Then put boiling water. For that amount of water only, not too much. Cover and cook for 30 minutes. Now put hot water to coconut powder and stir so that we can mix two chicken. Now put it. Mix them. Cover and put to low fire. Now fry the potato. While frying the potato, you have to stir the chicken occasionally to avoid from burning at the bottom. When the potato finished, set aside. Now let's cook the rice. Put these spices. Put salt also. Put the rice and cook till 90% done. Mix rose water to saffron. Soak in hot water. We will use that one later. When the rice is done, remove the water. Now the chicken is done. You notice the water has reduced. In the pan for rice, put oil. Then put half of the rice. After that, put the chicken on top of it. Now, put the fried potato on top of the chicken. And then, we put the rest of the rice. On top, put the saffron mixture. Cover and cook in low fire for 15 minutes. Now our biryani is ready. Before you serve, mix it like that. Yummy. Now let's eat. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and most of all, join. Bye.